Hi everyone! Today, we are going to show you how to draw an ice cream bicycle cart step by step. Grab a pencil and paper and let's get started. Step 1. Draw the cart. Start with a vertical rectangle on the lower left side of your paper. Now, draw 2 horizontal lines on top of the rectangle and round off the edges. Step 2. Draw the cart roof. Draw an oval above the cart, but make the bottom part flat. Then, draw 2 horizontal lines below the oval and connect them. Step 3. Draw the roof holder. Draw 2 vertical lines on each side of the cart. Before we continue, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Details about our products and services are in the description below. Step 4. Draw the wheels. Draw 2 circles with the same center but different sizes at the bottom of the cart. Then, add a smaller circle in the middle and some spokes extending out. Step 5. Draw the cycle stand. Draw 2 angled lines connecting to each other under the cart. Step 6. Draw the seat and middle bar. Draw an oval on the cycle stand for the seat. Then, extend 2 horizontal lines from the cycle stand for the middle bar. Step 7. Draw the back wheel holder. Draw another pair of angular lines beneath the middle bar. Where they meet, draw a small circle. Step 8. Draw the chain holder. Draw 2 concentric circles at the point where the first angular lines meet. Step 9. Draw the back wheel. Draw the third wheel following the same steps as the front wheels, but place it at the back where we drew the small circle. Step 10. Draw the handle. Draw a small circle on the back of the cart, then extend 2 bent lines upwards, ending with a small horizontal rectangle for the handle. Step 11. Draw the pedal. Finally, extend 2 vertical lines from the chain holder and add a small horizontal rectangle at each end, taking your drawing to the next level. Adding background and color. We can create a sunny day at the park. Don't forget to color your drawing with your favorite shades. We hope you enjoyed learning how to draw an ice cream bicycle cart. The more you practice drawing, the better you'll get. And don't forget to check out the video description for more on our art tutorials and services. And let us know if you have any other vehicle requests. Thanks for watching.